Hey guys, what's up?
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. Now today we'll be showing you 10 easy ways to make money from home during quarantine.
The world is changing around us. A lot of us find ourselves at home on quarantine with a lot of time on our hands. And a lot of us find ourselves at home with some very unfortunate circumstances. A lot of us are losing income because we are not able to work. We have to be at home quarantined. Some of us are actually unemployed at this time. So the unemployment rate in the world is just skyrocketing through the roof. All in all, a lot of us now are finding ourselves in a position with increased time on our hands.
Right.
So, what do you do with this time? How do you remain productive? How can we become gainfully employed or use our time now to gain money? There's an increased demand for masks, right? Where everywhere we're being told to wear our mask. And there is now an increased demand for reusable masks, and they have now become even a fashion statement. A lot of persons have found themselves with this talent making money. You can also do that as well. Make fashionable masks. My friend has actually started making her own mask, and trust me, the market is there.
Right.
We've gotten our mask from our neighbor,
Right.
and that's another creative way. You make your mask and you solicit business from persons you know.
I know a lot of persons, their grandmother, their mothers might have the sewing machine lying around the house. You never use it. You can actually teach yourself how to sew masks. Actually, these masks were purchased from a friend who she just taught herself how to sew, and she bought the different material, fancy nice color material, and just she fooled around until she's now making masks. She's making an income from the masks. There's a large demand for masks, and the supply is just not there. So you can actually from home make masks and make a lot of money, right? Yes, another important way, another popular way right now where people are making money from home is doing forex trading. The forex trading marketplace is the biggest marketplace. It's actually bigger than stocks trading, right? The forex market trade, that is actually to trade in foreign currency, right? You can teach yourself how to do forex trading or sign up for online classes in forex trading as well and begin trading from home, making a lot of money. People are making thousands of dollars from forex trading as their only source.
Now, what everybody has been talking about is the plummeting stock market. Everybody's just nervous about it, crying about it. Have you seen it? Have you seen how the stock market is decreasing? Well, this is the time when the rich get richer.
Yep.
The rich is actually seeking out their most desired stocks, and they're actually investing at this time.
Right.
This is the time for us to invest. If you have found yourself in a position where you have any money at all, you can actually invest that money and earn from it. So we are seeing a lot of popular stocks decreasing, and this is now the opportunity for you, for us, to actually invest our money and gain returns.
Right.
For example, if you do see a stock that has decreased by 50%,
Right.
25%, and you've invested, and you once you invest in that stock and the stock increases to its original value, you would have gained 50% on your money.
Right.
You would have gained at least 25% on your money. So it's great value out there.
Right. Currently, the gray stock, we're talking about the Jamaica Stock Exchange now. Gray stocks right now is selling for around $60 per share. Before this outbreak, it was selling for like $80 per share. So that's a 25% thereabout decrease in the stock value. NCB is down 20%, and that was a well sought after share. All right. So if you had interest in actually purchasing these stocks, now is the time. You can actually get the stocks for like a discount,
Exactly.
like a discounted price.
Basically, oil is on the downward trend. Like oil is sold
It's at
now.
rock bottom right now, the oil market.
Gold. So there are a lot of areas that you can invest in.
Another good way to make money from home right now is via the Airbnb platform. If you have a spare room in your house or a space that is not occupied, you can definitely turn that into an Airbnb. Right now, the market for Airbnb it's at a downturn.
Yes, it is.
However, that won't last for very long. So you can use this opportunity right now to develop the property, make it into somewhere that's hospitable for guests. So when they are traveling again, they can definitely find your listing and book with you. The people are at home right now, they are frustrated, they want to leave home, they want to travel again, but the stay-at-home orders and the borders being locked, they are not able to. But as soon as those borders are open, they will be flooding to other countries. Another good way to make money online is
YouTube. So YouTube is a great area that you can share your niche, share your expertise, just share your life and your personality. YouTube is an area that you can share your influence. Okay?
YouTube is definitely a platform. It's easy to set up, right? Very, very easy to set up. As long as you have the internet, you can set it up. And people are making a lot of money off of YouTube.
One of the great opportunities that is presented to YouTubers is basically being able to share what you're good at. You're good at cosmetology, doing makeup, making wigs. You're good at trying on clothes, buying clothes. If you're good at buying clothes, girl, you can utilize the YouTube platform.
Right.
Like persons love shopping online,
right.
And if you're a good shopper, then you can definitely share your expertise. Whatever you're good at, you can share that on YouTube,
right.
And that's a great way to earn income. So you can use your YouTube influence. If you're a fisher, you can show us how to fish. Like, you'd be surprised what persons watch on YouTube.
Right.
A lot of us think that our little niche areas or little skills that we have, that persons are not quite interested in it unless it's from an education or educated standpoint.
Or entertainment standpoint. Right.
But that's not quite so. So YouTube is that platform that you can use your skills, your abilities to actually make money. Give it a shot.
I know that there are a lot of persons on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Twitter with a huge following, right? But they're not earning from those followers, right? We should be using our social media influence to our advantage. There are a lot of companies out there right now, like small companies that they're looking for affordable ways to market their products.
Yes.
And you can be that person that helps them to grow their business while you earn an income from that. So definitely use your social media presence to earn some money.
Another way to utilize your social media platform is by utilizing affiliate marketing.
Yes, affiliate marketing is a way that you basically advertise for other people. Say for example, you would promote certain links on your page, tell them about this particular product that you use, you love this product, and of course the link is in your bio, right? So whenever someone accesses your bio and make the purchase, you will make a percentage of that purchase.
Yes.
Right? And affiliate marketing is a big way that people actually earn money online these days.
Exactly.
Because like say for example, you have 10,000 followers, right? And 1,000 of them buy a particular product. You might be making 5% per purchase. Who knows? So you can definitely look into affiliate marketing.
In fact, affiliate marketing is so powerful. We have something in Jamaica that we call word of mouth.
Right.
Word of mouth, babe.
Now,
this is basically the utilization of, this is basically what affiliate market utilizes. Word of mouth. I tried it. I've used it. It works for me. Trust me. In Jamaica, if you try it, it works for you. You say, you know what this we use?
Right.
The person who you tell, more likely like 80 to 90% of the time, they're going to go for that particular product.
Right.
And that's the same thing that happens in other communities, other countries. And on the internet, you are able to reach far past your neighbor, your friend, and your community. You can reach the world.
A lot of you creative minds are actually grounded at home right now. You are losing jobs because you can't go out to meet clients. Maybe your clients' businesses are closed, right? But in this age of the World Wide Web, your business shouldn't be limited. So these websites such as Upwork and Fiverr are a website that you can actually promote yourself. So these places, people go requiring certain services like photo editing, video editing,
graphic design,
graphic designing,
website management.
right.
So you can always present your skills and have persons pay you to do specific jobs for them. Now, both websites are actually different, so they work different. You get paid as slightly different, but they still both have the common idea. You have a skill, you come, present your abilities,
Right.
you get hired,
Yes.
get paid.
Right. Another important website is Skillshare. Now, in Skillshare, you can actually make tutorial videos and post them online. So if you, again, good at graphic designing, photography, anything like this, music production, accounts, you name them, you post your video online and people watch the videos and you get paid by minutes watched. So basically, the more engaging your videos are, the more people watch the videos, the more views you get, the more you get paid.
Exactly.
There are people at home right now with extra time on their hands that wants to learn about Forex trading. So this is your time to teach this. There's a high search demand for Forex trading. Online right now, that's one of the trending topics, Forex trading, right? There are a lot of persons also, they always wanted to learn a second language, but now them being at home, they have more time on their hands for learning this. So if you are a language expert, you can definitely use this to your advantage and
Definitely.
earn hourly rates from teaching online. Another important point is the fact that we can take advantage of the viewership that's available to us right now. There are a lot of people at home, they are probably laid off from their jobs, they are working from home, so you can use that to boost your online presence, your online platform. Tour Lanes, I'm sure a lot of you heard about Tour Lanes recently or before. Tour Lanes started this thing called the Quarantine Radio. So he has this Instagram live where he has live performances, dance competitions, singing competition nightly, where a lot of celebrities would join in on his live and donate and cause a big stir, right? Tory Lanez broke a lot of records with his Instagram live. There are over like 300,000 people joining his live, right? And because of that, he earned millions of followers on Instagram because of Quarantine Radio. This is the time, right? So people are at home, get creative, build your online presence. Tory Lanez used this opportunity and launched his album, right? There's a new album out now with Tory Lanez that is selling very well on the market now. All of this because he used this opportunity, this negative
Social
time,
media,
right? And he used this negative pandemic for a positive spin, all right?
Yeah.
Right, so if you like our content, please hit the like button and subscribe for future content, and of course hit the notification bell